A is for animals. Animals. B is for bird. Bird. C is for cow. Cow. D is for duck. Duck. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. A is for animals. B is for bird. C is for cow. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. Today we are going to learn words from letter A to G. We already uploaded some separate videos to learn words from letter A to G. The videos are in the description box below. Please check it out. Welcome to our channel Pinky Finger. Hello everyone, how are you all today? If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to Pinky Finger for Kids. Let's move to the video. A is for apple. Apple. B is for blueberry. Blueberry. C is for cherry. Cherry. D is for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. E is for elderberry. Elderberry. F is for fruits. Fruits. G is for grapes. Grape. A is for apple. B is for blueberry. C is for cherry. D is for dragon fruit. E is for elderberry. F is for fruits. G is for grapes. A is for apron. Apron. B is for blouse. Blouse. C is for cap. Cap. D is for dress. Dress. E is for earrings. Earrings. F is for frock. Frock. G is for gloves. Gloves. A is for apron. B is for blouse. C is for cap. D is for dress. E is for earring. F is for frock. G is for gloves. A is for aeroplane. Aeroplane. B is for boat. Boat. C is for car. Car. D is for dump truck. Dump truck. E is for excavator. Excavator. F is for fire engine. Fire engine. G is for garbage truck. Garbage truck. A is for aeroplane. B is for boat. C is for car. D is for dump truck. E is for excavator. F is for fire engine. G is for garbage truck. A is for X. X. B is for bone. Bone. C is for candle. Candle. D is for doll. Doll. E is for engine. Engine. F is for fence. Fence. G is for globe. Globe. A is for X. B is for bone. C is for candle. D is for doll. E is for engine. F is for fence. G is for globe. A is for actor. Actor. B is for baker. Baker. C is for carpenter. Carpenter. D is for dentist. Dentist. E is for engineer. Engineer. F is for fisherman. Fisherman. G is for gardener. Gardener. A is for actor. B is for baker. C is for carpenter. D is for dentist. E is for engineer. F is for fisherman. G is for gardener. This is the end of this video. Goodbye.